Hello everyone, this is MD Nuruddin Islam, and welcome back to MN Zone 1, YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are well.
Huawei Consumer Business Group (BG) announced the launch of Huawei Nova 10 series. The Huawei Nova 10 Pro, Huawei Nova 10, and Huawei Nova 10 SE. The 10th generation of Nova inherits the design of the Huawei Nova series. Bringing together innovative design and cutting-edge craftsmanship, Huawei Nova 10 Pro comes in an attractive color. In addition to starry black colorways that represent a distinct aesthetic style, both adhere to a trendy, youthful design philosophy. It adapts a double color coding process, creating a sense of harmony and symmetry, and features a brand new COP encapsulation technology, allowing the display's bottom bezel to measure just 2.56 mm each for more immersive visual experience for users. Huawei Nova 10 Pro sports high-quality dual-front camera lenses. One lens features the industry's first front-facing 6-MP ultra-wide autofocus camera. Additionally, the front-facing 8MP portrait close-up camera supports 2x optical zoom and up to 5x digital zoom. Users can freely adjust the zoom range with the nearest effective focal length of 14 cm to better present the scene and to improve the vlog shooting experience. The Huawei Nova 10 Pro also sports the industry's first front camera built with Instant AF with Quad Phase Detection (QPD). It promises a 30% increase in focus speed and supports a dual-view video function which can utilize multiple cameras of the smartphone to shoot simultaneously, offering a multi-camera shooting experience. The Huawei Nova 10 Pro supports the 100W Huawei Supercharge. It only takes 10 minutes to charge the phone from 20 to 60%. And 20 minutes for a full charge, even with heavy usage. It provides a long-lasting battery life, assuring users a worry-free experience. In terms of gaming experience, the Huawei Nova 10 Pro features the new Touch Turbo 2.0. Users can simply shake the phone to trigger any corresponding key operation, and it comes equipped with stereo dual speakers. The Huawei Nova 10 Pro rear camera is equipped with a 50MP RYYB Ultra Vision camera setup, an 8MP ultra-wide macro camera, and a portrait depth camera. The rear camera supports Instant AF with QPD. Both the front and rear cameras of the Huawei Nova 10 Pro support motion blur function. It comes with an AI snapshot feature that can process elements to enhance the overall look and feel of photos, bringing excellent details. The Huawei Nova 10 Pro supports 1.07 billion colors, a high refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, and 300 Hz touch sampling rate, which offer users a smoother user experience, whether it is daily operations, web browsing or other smartphone interactions. It also supports the P3 color gamut for a larger color gamut coverage. The display also supports 1.07 billion colors, bringing delicate colors to life on screen with smooth transitions. Price and availability in the new Huawei Nova 10 Pro in starry silver and starry black colors will be available for pre-orders in the UAE from October 14th at a price of DH$2,399. The Huawei Nova 10 at a price of DH$1,899, and Huawei Nova 10 SE at the price of DH$1,299. The pre-order offer avails gifts worth DH$529, including Huawei Freelace Lite earphones, 3 months complimentary subscription to Huawei Music and Huawei Video, 3 months complimentary subscription to 50 GB Huawei Mobile Cloud, 12 months Moody Countries warranty service, Moody Country support, and 1-year manufacturer warranty service in GCC countries and
So this was our video today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a like in the video. Keep subscribing to the channel. See you all in the next video.